this short video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can grow a $10 account to 100 plus profits in just hours trading synthetic indices. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing, because here I share information that people literally pay for free. All you have to do is just subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be updated every time I drop a video. Without even wasting much of your time, let's get straight into it. So as you can see in the background, I've already entered the trade on VIX 100, right? So let me just give you a quick breakdown to why I entered these trades and what I expect from these trades, right? So what I was seeing here was a change of character, right? Like here I was using smart money concept, guys, but then like I said, I always do my top-down analysis. Unfortunately, I didn't record the time I was doing my top-down analysis, and for me, I usually use market structure. So the structure here was telling me to say market is about to go up, so I just had to use smart money concept for me to catch good entries, right? So I used the order block entry. That's why I caught that sniper entry
yeah, boy,
as my first entry, and then I had to adapt another entry when market broke my resistance level there. And you to say the market is still going up, guys, that's why I had to adapt another entry. So as you can see here, I waited for a pullback first, and then when it started shooting up, that's when I added up another position. And that's how you add position to a trade, right? You just don't add positions anyhow. You have to wait for a pullback, and then you can adapt another position. So that's what I did here, and all I had to do is just wait for price to actually hit my profit target and then close the trades, right? So fortunately for me, I didn't even wait for a long time for this trade. It shot straight up to my profit target, so I just had to close my position because I was satisfied with the profits and just look for another setup, right? Because all I want to see from this $10 account is at least 100 USD, right? So I can show you all saying it's really possible to grow a $10 to 100 USD with the right skill set, right? A lot of you all think it's only possible to trade forex with huge amount of money, which is not so true. So I always tell my students to say seek for knowledge first, and then everything else comes, right?
No. Hi.
okay.
So as you can see in the background, I've already found another setup on VIX 151s. What I'm seeing here is a sell, so let me just enter my sales, and then I'll get to give you a quick breakdown to why I'm entering these sales, right? And I want to share with you guys something, right? Like being profitable in forex is not about winning a lot of trades, because most of you think it's about winning each and every trade you take or flipping each and every account that you fund, right? Which is not so true. Being profitable in forex is about the risk to reward ratio. So let me give you an example, right? If I was gonna fund a 50 USD and decide to sample it into 5 accounts, which is $10 account, right? So meaning I've got 5 $10 accounts, and then I lose 40 USD, which is 4 accounts, and I remain with one which I flip to 100 USD. I'm profitable because now I'll take back my loss, which is 40 USD, and then I'll have a profit of 60 USD, right? So that's being profitable in forex trading. So
Nice.
losing is actually part of forex trading. You guys should just learn how to manage your risk, right? I was recently in a signal group for Alex G and Sensei. To those of you that don't know Alex G or Sensei, so these guys are really big in the forex industry. Most of you that follow traders, you must know these names. You must know Alex G, right? So I was recently in their signal group, which they held for like 2 to 3 months, right? So I was following the signals, and I got to find out to say these guys lose more than I actually lose, guys. Like it's crazy. These guys lose more than you guys actually lose, most of you here, right? Because out of 8 setups they would send, only 2 would be successful, and the 6 would be stop losses, guys. Like it was crazy. But they, at the end of the month, you find to say they're still profitable, right? Even after losing 6 trades and winning 2, they're still profitable because of the risk to reward, right? So I got to learn something from that. I was like, I don't have to win each and every trade that I take. I just have to target high probability trades that will give me high return when I win, you know. So it's about the risk to reward ratio. So yeah guys, with that said, let's get back to our video. So the reason why I'm entering this trade is because price has reached on my area of interest, right? That blue base you see there was my order block. So I need you to say if price will reach there and then shows a reversal pattern, I should be entering sales. So my second confirmation was the double top that it formed when it touched my area of interest. So I need you to say all you have to do is just catch good entries and market to fall, right? So I had to put my BTC trend line here, which also broke and gave me a third confirmation. That's why I entered my sales here, and I had to risk a little bit more because I need to say this market is falling, guys. Like I confirmed with my 3 confirmations, so I just had to risk a little bit more so I can get to my profit target fast, which is 100 USD, right? So let's just see how everything will turn out.
A few moments later.
So after waiting for a few minutes, boom, the trade was in deep profit, guys. Like I reached my profit target, so I just had to close my position because I was satisfied with the profits. Just enjoy my profits, guys.
Oh my god! Wow!
So learn the art of prediction with the FX P2P strategy and start withdrawing, guys. Like I recently just launched my course, so if you want to have access to it, just DM me and I'll add you to the course. So yeah, see you in the next video. I'm out.
Mountain ground, горная поляна, таких мест как здесь жаль, но осталось мало, люди едут с Ямала, долго до входа.